Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a decent amount of space for everyone.
And we really like these veranda rooms. They're not quite as big as the family veranda rooms, but there's still a pretty good amount of space for everyone to spread out.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first come in the room here, over on the right, you can see we have our closet area. We've got 3 different closets. The first one just has some hanging space. It also has your robes, Disney Cruise Line logo on the robes there. And you have some life jackets up top and some storage down below for your luggage. If you open up that middle section, that's going to be where you have your kind of little shelves for storage. You've got a laundry bag if you'd like to send out for service. You also have your in-room safe there in this part of the closet. And the last part of the closet over here is where you're going to find your second closet rod and your ladder for that pull-down upper berth, which we'll see across the room in just a minute here. Now, across from the closet area, we have the bathrooms. It is a split bathroom layout. There's one over there on the right and one just to the left when you come in here. It's got a little Disney Cruise Line logo right there on the door. And this half of the bathroom is where you're going to find a toilet and a vanity, just a single vanity, not a ton of counter space. You do have some storage down below it, and you also have some little glass shelves on the wall. We've got a lighted mirror there, and then our toilet, of course, here in this bathroom as well. The other half of the bathroom is where you're going to find your tub and shower. This does have a glass door on it now. As you can see, you open up the glass door and it goes into the tub. You've got a detachable shower head in here, but no rainfall style shower head, just the one head. You have H2O products with the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And then our vanity here is a single vanity, a little bit more counter space than the other one. Some storage down below, some shelves over on the right with some lotion and some washcloths, and then that lighted mirror over there on the wall. We have a full-length mirror here on the back of this door as well. In the room, we have our queen-size bed, the main bed here in the room. This, of course, is elevated off the ground so you can store your luggage down underneath. We've got a Wish bed runner here with the Disney Wish logo and Disney Cruise Line logo on it. Beautiful bed runner. And above the bed, a mural with Tiana and Naveen at their wedding. It has little reflective flecks in the painting, and we have a single light that you can actually control independently to light that up, which is a really nice touch. On the bed, if you look at the pillowcases too, one little detail we found, you've got little hidden Mickeys on the pillowcase, both on the corners and on the fabric itself. There's a small nightstand beside the bed with a little drawer there. This side has a little 220 outlet as well as 2 USB outlets, and our reading light there in addition to our lamp. And the lamp, once you turn it on, you can see a little Mickey appears on the lampshade. At the end of the bed here at the foot, you have your TV mounted to the wall. Now this TV does not pivot, so it is staying flat facing the bed. You can't pivot it over towards the other half of the room. We also have a connecting door here if you need to use the connecting stateroom feature. On the other half of the bed, we have the same exact setup with the little nightstand and the lamps. However, this one has 2 regular wall outlets, 2 USB outlets, and a USB-C outlet, which is really nice. We've got our curtain here that divides the room in half. If you'd like to use that, it does a pretty good job of making this half of the room a lot darker, especially in the daytime when there's light coming in that big veranda door. The 2 beds over here are twin size beds. The couch pulls down as one twin size bed. It folds down right on top of the couch, so you don't take up any additional floor space. You have the picture up here on the wall of Tiana. Beautiful picture of her with the fireflies there, and that upper berth you can pull down that's a twin size bed. Your stateroom host will take care of that because it is locked up there right now. Across from the couch and the pull down bed, we have our dresser. Lots of little storage shelves on the top of the dresser. We have a lighted mirror here. We've got some Castaway Club gifts there, and then in this drawer you'll find a little door hanger for ordering breakfast in the morning if you'd like. There's a small stool underneath there. And then this drawer is where you're going to find your hair dryer in the room. That hair dryer plugs up into the little 220 outlet over here that also has 2 USB outlets, and there's 2 wall outlets, 2 USBs, and a USB-C above that as well. One other thing here with the drawers is this drawer down here actually is a fridge. It's a pull-out drawer fridge. That's your mini fridge in the room now. A little bit different. Now, as we head out onto the veranda, you can see we've got a pretty good view here. We do have that plexiglass wall because of the category, so you can see out when you're sitting on the veranda. 2 chairs and a small table and a decent amount of space on the veranda. If you have connecting staterooms, they can take that half of the wall that partitions the verandas here and fold that in for you so you can actually share verandas. And that's going to conclude our tour here of this Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out all the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours across all the Disney Cruise Line ships and a lot of them here on the Disney Wish, as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.